Fly time at the Atlanta airport. Let's see if we can go take a flight somewhere in a plane. So you gotta gas it up a little. Yeah, Charlie.